Good morning. Thank you for watching this. Hey, um, I just got to be real with you guys. I'm going to be real with you for a moment here. All right. Local businesses here in San Antonio earning thousands of dollars on marketing that, well, just doesn't work. I've seen it all over the place. And right now, I'm just very sick of seeing this. I really am. All right. Here's the solution. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can get your business seen daily, daily, by hundreds of people right here in San Antonio, without Google, without Yelp, without Better Business Bureau, without Angie's List or whatever you're using to get people to see that you guys exist, right? Because we're not going to use any of this whole outdated strategies. We're not going to use any of this what I like to call boomer strategy. No offense to anyone here that is a baby boomer, but that's what I'm calling them, boomer strategy. All right, so who am I? My name is Daryl Webb, and I'm a local videographer. And over the last 12 months here in San Antonio, I've worked with roofing contractors and public adjusters with simple content and Instagram ads that work. These people have been getting businesses, even especially roofing contractors, they've been getting business in the off season because of my strategy. Now what I have for you, right, is not just pretty content. 'Cause pretty content doesn't work. Let's be real. It doesn't. Not by itself. No, it is a proven system, a proven ad system that runs 24/7. And it works even when you have no time, no audience, and there's really no clue where to start. And this also works when you're asleep too, greatly. Now imagine, right, your business showing up daily on every local's phone. Right? You become the go-to name in your industry. Like one of the roofers I work with, people know him. Like, oh snaps, yeah, we know two brothers. We saw you on Instagram. Cool. See, now before I even worked here in San Antonio, I actually used to shoot videos in countries such as South Korea, Japan, and Canada. And in my early days, I used to think, oh yeah, shooting cool videos will work. And at the time, it did. But now shooting cool videos doesn't work anymore, right? Because no one's business is growing. A lot of people they have all these cool videos, but their business is stagnating. They're in the red. That's when I later realized that yeah, cool doesn't pay the bill. It really doesn't. Cool amplifies what you do, but it doesn't pay the bill. So I spent the last year learning what actually gets leads, and I built this system here. This is a proven system that will work just for you. And the truth is, if your content isn't running as ads, all it's doing is just noise. Okay, think of this. You remember those old CRT TVs when you just play the stack like, yeah, that's pretty much what your Instagram page is if you're not running ads. So what is this system called? Boom, SOS method. Save, optimize, sell. That's what that means. So how does the SOS method work? So first, what we're going to do create a local lead engine, right? Basically, ads. We're gonna create it, have a means that people come to your page. Those leads look at it and be like, "Oh, okay, cool, cool. I like what you got." We're gonna follow your page, or we're going to like that ad, right? And then we got like a little, and then you're gonna start sending them DMs. Then once you send them DMs, they may turn into customers, and then they get sales from doing their thing, from you guys doing your thing. And then you get some social proof. It's like, oh crap, we were able to get people because um they saw our ads. And because we saw their ad, we use their services and we just say, hey, these guys are great, they're on it, and everything worked out. And you might be thinking to yourself, Daryl, I don't have time to post every day. And you may be also thinking these other things here too. I've tried ads before and they didn't work. They didn't work like they were supposed to. Is this going to be another expensive agency package with zero ROI? And the answer to that is no, it is not. And see, this is exactly why I built all of this to get rid of all of that. See, there's 3 steps to getting some results here. 3 steps. Promise you, they're simple, and you will like them, and they will work. Marketing, marketing, ads plus content. See, what I do is my team and I will shoot monthly content and run it through a simple local ad flywheel. The thing I just showed you in the last couple of slides. Scrub back over there if you want to see the flywheel again. Do this so that your brand shows up everywhere without you having to lift a finger. And if you're skeptical about whether or not it works, well, I mean, if you saw my ad and you're looking at this right now, I got to you more. I more than likely got to you through DM. Ad got you here, so you can see right now it works. Next, going to start working on the sales aspect, like DM appointment settings. I'm going to give you the scripts and the frameworks and the systems to turn all of the new traffic you're getting into booked appointments. I'm talking about people that like your page, people that follow your page, people that make comments. Right, we're going to turn those into appointments. Not going to be anything cringe. This is going to you're just going to have actual conversations with people in San Antonio and all of the surrounding cities. Right, we're not going to just stay in one area. We're going to go everywhere where people can see you. Finally, we're going to have some ownership. All right, I'm going to show you how the full system works. You're never reliant on an agency again. Like, I hate agencies, I really do. That's for another video. You're always going to have us in your corner for content, right? But the power to grow, that'll be on you. See, the thing is, I'm not going to do everything for you, but I will do things with you. So how do we deliver it? Optimize your Instagram ready for leads. We create scroll stopping ads. Make people go, hey, wait a minute now. Take a look at this. And we will start nurturing all this new traffic with professional and intentional video assets. All right. But make everything look pretty. More importantly, it's going to be something that people use. You're going to speak to your new leads, you're going to book appointments, and you're going to do what you do best, your service. Now, if you are a contractor, you work in HVAC, you work in lawn service, you're the best at what you do. We're going to do everything we can to show that you are the best in what you do. All right, we're not going to try to sit up here and make you come like Mr. Beast or any of these other big name content creators out there. That's a totally different level. We're going to show how great you are at what you do. You see, and here's the great thing about it. Most of the people I've worked with, they spent no more than 3 to 4 hours a month with us. You guys are busy. We understand that. You guys are busy, and you don't want to have to spend any and all day having to work on video content. We're just going to work with you maybe 1, maybe 2 days a month. Yeah, knock out all the content that we need, and then let the system work itself out. The businesses that win locally are the ones that show up every day. And when I say this, I mean that I want go-getters. I don't want no-getters. I want go-getters. I want show-gunners, as in I'm show gonna do this, right? Oh yeah, that's a concept. Shogun. I want shoguns, as in I'm show gonna do this. But look, if you don't start this right now, your competition will. And when they see, and when they're the ones that's being seen, being followed, being booked, you're going to be sitting up there twiddling your thumb, asking, "Oh, why are things so slow? Why are they slow? We're in a fast month. Why are they slow?" So here's what I'm offering: a completely free 20-minute strategy call. Yes, free strategy call. What we're going to do is I'm going to take a look at your content, take a look at your local presence, give you a game plan. No strings attached. None. I'm not gonna try to uh, pull the rug under from you. Like, I'm serious. I really want to work with you and help you out with it. And if it makes sense for us to work together, I'm going to show you how you can launch the SOS method this month. So, if you're ready to make this work out, I'm waiting. I will be ready and waiting for you. Now, look, if you're looking at this right now and we've already booked the call, great. I will see you. But if you're looking at this right now and we haven't booked and we haven't had a chance to talk, I'm open. My DMs are open, and I will respond to you so that we can make this all work out. I believe in you guys.